loves. All right, so let's get into some at-home hair maintenance using our Perfect Locks Loop Tool brush. We're gonna go ahead and brush out her hair and learn how to brush it out at home so you can keep up with your maintenance. With someone like Caroline, she has 5 rows of a beaded weft installed into her hair, and so with that, we have different widths of the beaded weft in there. So we wanna make sure that we're holding the weft, finding and starting at the crown, finding the first weft that she has, and ever so lightly putting your thumb there to hold, keep a little pressure to make sure we're not adding any extra tugging or pulling. We're gonna take our loop brush and we're going to just maybe like an inch below the actual weft, we're going to brush through and make our way down. Brush through and make our way down. Then we're gonna find our next row and we're gonna do the same thing, always holding at the scalp with your thumb to hold that weft there so we're not adding any extra tugging or pulling or accidentally getting the loops into the weft as you're brushing to make sure that you're not actually pulling out those beautiful wefts that you got in there. And all you do is magic.